Yo, what up? It's your boy, Mr. E, and today we're going to talk about substituting. Now, you might be wondering, what does substituting have anything to do with math? Well, you're about to learn today, okay? Here we go. So, let's say we had an expression, but this expression is going to be a little bit different. We're going to have a variable in our expression, and you might be thinking to yourself, how can I solve this? I don't know what x is. I would need like a major key like DJ Khaled if I was going to find this out. Well, luckily for us, we do have a major key, and we know that x is going to equal 50. So x is going to get on out of here, and 50 is going to substitute in for the x. Now this looks a little bit more reasonable. We can solve this. We would just use our triangle method to find our answer of 18, and then we get our answer. So substituting can make solving expressions that would usually be harder a lot easier to do. I think substitutes are awesome. Think about Miss Stone. She's such a great substitute. I bet you guys wish sometimes she was teaching this class rather than me. Now, substitutes can also come in real handy. It's kind of like a puzzle. If you just had one more piece left, if you have that little bit of information, it completes the puzzle, then you can see the full picture. Now, sometimes it can be a little harder. Like if we didn't know what X was, or if we had a million puzzle pieces, then that would be really tough. But that's a problem for future Mr. E.
This is future Mr. E. This stuff is so hard. Why didn't you guys warn me? Why?
So, in algebra, substitution means putting numbers where letters are. So when we have x minus 2, and we know that x equals 6, then we can substitute 6 for x. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. So fairly simple if we know what to substitute the letter with the number. Now, let's go ahead and move on to some problems together. Hey, wait.
Yo,
What's
what
going
up?
on? What's
It's your girl,
happening?
Mrs. E, and I'm substituting today for Mr. E. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple questions. Okay, so for the first one, we have 10 minus x. If we know that x equals 2, then we can substitute x with 2, and that will give us 10 minus 2. And that simplifies to 8. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. 5k. So if we know that k equals 6, then we can plug in 6 where k is, or substitute k with 6. And remember, when there's a number next to a variable, that means you multiply. So that gives us 6 times 5, and that'll give you 30. Okay, this next problem is a little bit harder. Get it? Because the variable is a heart. Okay, so we have heart plus 2 in parentheses divided by 3. So if we know that heart equals 4, then we can substitute the heart with the 4. And that'll give us 4 plus 2 in parentheses divided by 3. And according to the order of operations, parentheses is always first. So we'll do 4 plus 2 equals 6, and then divided by 3. And that will give you 2. And that's all the problems we have for you today. So thank you. We love you. We miss you. And see you next time. Bye.